Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a giveaway video. I am a little bit behind because I wanted to make this video when I hit 50,000 subscribers, but I figured it's better late than never. And I'm so sorry I haven't made any tutorials lately. I've just been so busy being pregnant and trying to get everything ready. And yeah, I just haven't found the time. This giveaway is kind of sponsored by Knit Crate. I have received a lot of really beautiful and just really great quality yarns from their company. My collection is so big, I'm just never going to use these, so I figured it would be perfect for a giveaway because they're really beautiful yarns. So the first color that I'm going to be giving away, I have these two skeins. It's like kind of like a cherry red. It's really pretty. So this one is merino wool, nylon, and cashmere, and it's fingering weight yarn. So it's pretty fine yarn, but it's so beautiful and it's very soft. So yeah, this is going to be included in the giveaway. Sticking with the red, I also have these two skeins. It's more of like a deep dark red with a cherry red kind of all mixed together. This one is a DK weight and it's 100% merino wool, so it's very sturdy yarn, really nice. The color is very beautiful too. So this is also going to be included. I have another two skeins. This is more of like a turquoise color. So this is very soft too. So what is this? This is merino wool, nylon, and cashmere, and it's fingering weight yarn as well. So very fine yarn and very soft. So you'll get two of these. Then I have these kind of like crazy colors. So this is like a plum purple, a deep blue, mustard, and turquoise, and it's kind of all mixed up together. This is worsted weight. I'm not exactly sure what weight size that is, but worsted weight. And it's 100% merino wool. So yeah, and also I like to mention that all of these yarns are exclusively hand-dyed for Knit Crate. So they are one of a kind. You can't buy these in the store. You can only buy it through this company, which I think is really cool because it makes it a little bit more special. So you'll get these two as well. And the last two, well, it's one of each. So I have this like beautiful, it's like a forest green color, also hand dyed, and it's merino wool, silk, and alpaca, and it's worsted weight. So this is very soft. And then I have this gray twist kind of yarn. It is merino wool and Peruvian highland wool, and it's fingering weight yarn. And I think this one is so beautiful. The reason I only have one of each of the last two is because I ended up using one of the skeins myself. It works up so beautifully. I made a baby sweater out of this one, and honestly, working with fingering weight is really nice for baby clothes because it's very lightweight. Yeah, this one's beautiful, but I'm going to be giving away this one in the giveaway as well. I can't even hold all of these at the same time. So I'm going to be giving away all of these yarns if you would like. So if you would like to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to me, to my channel, which is the channel you're watching right now, and then just leave a comment down below. You could comment anything you want. I'm just going to be using a random comment generator to pick the winner. So you can leave as many comments as you want. You can leave whatever you want. If you want to leave me like a suggestion on what to make, leave me like what you did for your last project, I don't care. Just leave me any comment. It's going to be open for 1 week. It's going to be open internationally, and if you're under 18 and you live at home, just get your parents' permission so that I can send a package to you, because I'm going to email the winner and get your address that way. So yeah, I thought that this would just be a small way to say thank you to everyone who's been subscribed to this channel and who leaves nice comments. It's so crazy to me that I hardly ever get hateful comments or troll comments with 50,000 subscribers. So it's just like, it makes me want to create more content because this is just such a positive and just creative community that I've kind of discovered, and I'm just really grateful to have that experience, to be able to share a little bit of what I come up with crochet patterns, and to hear everyone's feedback and suggestions. It's just so much fun, and I don't plan on stopping. So yeah, sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. I am just doing my best to set up my nursery and get ready for my baby. So I am sitting in the nursery right now. So as you can see, I have the crib, which is good, and a changing table, a little day bed. So I feel like I'm slowly getting there, and I feel a little bit more put together. So hopefully I'll find some time to film a tutorial soon. So keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, good luck to everyone who enters, and I will see you in my next video.